Hello? In this tutorial, I will teach you how to make paper stars. This is the material you need. Sheets letter size colored ruler. Scissors. And pencil. Make a mark with a pencil 1 centimeter from the top edge. Then make 3 more marks, 2 in the middle and 1 at the bottom. Connect them with a straight line. You should have a strip of 1x 27 cm. Take the tip, pass it behind, forming a shape like this. Then pass it through the middle, pull gently. Make sure the paper doesn't tear. And press. You will have something like this. Fold the excess towards the back to hide it. Take the bottom part, the leftover strip, and fold it following the shape of the pentagon until you reach the end. When you have a small piece left, insert the tip through the middle of the paper and pull a little. Do the same if you have more excess. You should have a pentagon like this. With your thumbs, take the figure and push the edges inward. Do the same with all the edges. And that's it. You now have your little stars. You can make them in many colors to decorate your crafts. Done, we're finished. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Remember to subscribe and share this video with your friends.